So for this video, you're gonna need 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg. What are y'all doing? 1 egg, teaspoon of vanilla, which I'm just gonna use this cap. Teaspoon of vanilla. I'm gonna combine everything together just like this. Just combine everything together. I know, you guys. You're making some cookies, huh? So now you're gonna make some peanut butter cookies. There's no flour added to this one. And then we're gonna go ahead and line up our parchment paper and put them on the cookie sheet. Just like this. Go ahead and start putting them on your cookie sheet. Just like this. The scoops. Y'all better stop that fighting. Just drop them onto your sheet. Just like so. Just drop on scoops. Okay, Mango. What's up? What's up? Just drop them onto your cookie sheet. Tablespoons. Now put them in the oven on 350 for 15 minutes. They're nice and warm. So yeah, just sugar, 1 egg. So it's 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And you'll have soft peanut butter cookies. They're hot right now, so I can't take them off the sheet. But they're really delicious. No flour needed, no butter needed. So really it's just 3 ingredients: sugar, egg, and vanilla. And you have you some good old-fashioned soft peanut butter cookies. Enjoy, you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.